Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lesson 3, chapter 3 nouns. Okay, read these words: mother, boy, school, camel, toy, pup, van. What is the noun? All people, places, animals, and things have names. Naming words are called nouns. Whatever names we use, that is called nouns. All people, place, animals, things have names. Naming words are called nouns. Okay. What are nouns? Whatever name we are going to take, that is called noun. Color the nouns yellow. Color the other words green. Okay. Feel. This is the name? No. You will color with green. Okay. Sit. This is also not a name. We color with green. Cow. Yes, this is the name. Name. Cow is name. We will color with yellow. Okay. Park. That is also a name of a place that we will color with yellow. Car also a name of a thing. Car is also a name of a thing. We color with yellow. Book is also name of a thing. Man is the name of a person. We also color with yellow. Sing is not a name. Sing is not a name. That is verb. We will color with green. Eat is also not a name. We will color with green. Wear is also not a name. Color with green. Live is also not a name. We color with green. Walk is also not name. Colored with green. Read is also not name. We colored with green. Noun we will color with yellow, and other words we will color green. That is your homework. That is your homework. Okay, now turn the page. Match the pictures to their names. Names is there and pictures are also there. Names are there, pictures are there. You will have to match with names and that picture. Bucket. It is bucket. You know bucket? Yes, this is bucket. Giraffe. 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 Giraffe is an animal. And that are toys. This is girl. This is hat. And this is a park. This is park. Swings are there. And that all the boys and girls are playing here. That is park. Hippo. That is hippo. Okay. This is the pictures. And you will have to match with their names. Okay. Bucket, toys, park, hut, hippo, giraffe and girl. Okay, all the names are called nouns. There are many words to name people. Example: father, girl, teacher, farmer. Okay, there are many words to name people. Father, girl, teacher, farmer. Underline the words that name people. We will underline the words which name people. Gardener. Gardener is also a name of a people. Okay. Doctor. Doctor is also name of a people. Uncle. Uncle is also a name of a people. And grandpa. Grandpa is also a name of a people. And all are noun. All are noun. Name of any person is also called a noun. Okay. Now what do we call these peoples? Choose words from the box. Okay. A person who looks after the sick is called who? Nurse. Yes. A person who looks after the sick is called nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Okay. Then a person who teaches is called teacher. You know very well this one. A person who teaches is called teacher. I am also a teacher. I am teaching you. I am teaching you. I am also a teacher. Teacher, teacher. A person who plays cricket is called cricketer. Yes, Cricket. Cricketer. 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 A person who plays cricket is called cricketer. Okay, now turn the page. All places have names. Library, office, kitchen, garden. Now, places or name is also called noun. Circle the names of places. A farmer ploughed the field, not a school. A farmer ploughed the field. See, he is farmer. He is ploughing the field. Okay. And went to the where? Market to buy the biscuit, not garden. Market. We go to market to buy the biscuit. To buy anything, we go to market. We saw 2 baby giraffe at the zoo. We can see giraffe in the zoo, not kitchen. You know very well this one. We can see many animals in the zoo. Okay. Granny goes for a walk in the park. For going for a walk, we go to park. Whenever we go for a walk, we go to park. Okay. Not shop. In shop, we go for buy things. The children are swimming in the sea, not a street. The children are swimming in the sea. See, it is sea. Okay. All animals have names. Animals also names. And that is also called noun. Lion, sparrow, tiger, eagle. Circle the names of animals. In this sentence, you will circle the name of animal. A nut fell on the hand. A little dog. Dog is the name of animal. Laughed at the cow. Okay. Dog and cow both are animal. The monkey took away all the caps. Monkey is an animal. Monkey is an animal. Okay. The monkey took away all the caps. Monkey is an animal. A hare and a tortoise lived in a jungle. Hare and tortoise are animal. Okay. Hare and tortoise are animal. Are animals. Hare and tortoise are animals. Okay. Now look at the picture and name the some animals are given. Complete the names of other animal. It is leopard, it is giraffe, rhino, fox, crocodile. Okay. Now it is deer. D-E-E-R, deer. D-E-E-R, deer. Rabbit. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. B-E-A-R, bear. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. S-N-A-K-E, snake. L-I-O-N, lion. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. That all are names of animals. These are also called nouns. These are also called nouns. Okay. Names of animals, place, and things and persons all are called nouns. All are called nouns. Okay. Now turn the page. All things have names. Example, table, pencil, comb, brush. All names are called nouns. In each of the groups, circle the names of the things. We will circle only the names of things. Sparrow, bag, tiger, goat. All are animals. Living bag. Bag is a thing. Okay. Mother, father, brother. All are person. And top. It is a thing. It is a thing. It is top. Okay. In Hindi we call bhaura, top. Okay. Rabbit, lion, pigeon. All are animals. This is hut. Hut is a thing. Okay. Now school, pen, market, library. School, market and library are places. Only pen is a thing. Okay. We have already underlined things only. Now write P for person, A for animal, T for thing. Okay. Mango is, what is mango? Mango is thing. Uncle, uncle is a person. Yes. Camel is a, yes, animal. Okay, we will write A for animal. Aunt is a person. Yes, we write P for person. Now tray is a, yes, thing. We write T for thing. Crow is a animal. We write A for animal. Lizard is a animal. Lizard is an animal. We write A for animal. Postman is a person. We write P for person. Bus is a thing. Yes, we write T for thing. Now drum, what is drum? Drum is also a thing. We write T for thing. Okay. Now when you understand, if person is there, we write P. For animal, we write A. For thing, we write T. Now guess our names. I cannot live on land. I am a, yes, fish. I am a fish. I cannot live on a land. Okay. I make honey. I am a, tell me name. Bee. Yes. I make honey. I am a bee. Okay. Now this exercise. Choose words from the box right below each picture. Okay. Pictures are there and words are also there. You write correct words related to that picture. You write correct words related to that picture. It is park. Okay, it is park. And he is potter who make pots. It is called potter. And it is monkey. Yes, this is monkey. And this is doctor. Yes. And this one table. This one goat. Goat is an animal. This is bell. This is plate. They are things. And this is tailor. He is tailor. Tailor is an, what is this tailor? Tailor is a person. Yes. Tailor is a person. This is well. W-E-L-L. Well. And this one is kitchen. This is place. Kitchen is a place. Okay. Now we have completed this lesson. No, one page left. Okay. Now we will do exercise. Write the words from exercise K under the correct heading. Okay. From exercise K. This one we have done. This one we have done. From this we will have to complete this exercise. Okay. Now person, potter, doctor, tailor, cobbler, teacher. Okay. Place, park, kitchen, garden, bank, market. Okay. Animal, monkey, goat, dog, cow, elephant. And things are bell, well, table, plate and ball. All are things. Okay. Now one and many words. See, this is one goat, and here is one lemon, and this is many lemons. One goat, many goats. One lemon, many lemons. When we will make one to many, we add s. When we make one to many, we add s. To make many, we add s in that word. Okay. Make many words by adding s. Only s we will add at the last. Plates, horses, pups, s, kite, kites, pen, pens, and that is your homework. You add at the last s to make many stars, balloons, spears, lion, birds. Okay. Now this is make one word by dropping s. Now we will remove s. At the last we remove s and we will make one word. Okay. Roses we will remove as rose. Hens we will remove as hen. Shoes we will remove as shoe. Lamps we will remove as lamp. Then balls we remove as ball. Okay. By removing s at the last, we make one, and by adding s, we make many. By adding s, we make many. This is your homework. You remove s at the last and make one word. Okay. Now make many words for the nouns in the box. Fill the blanks with the words with you have made. Okay. Now here only one single words are there. You will have to make many by adding s. By adding s, you make many. Okay. There are 6 candles. S we will put at the last. S we will put at the last. There are 6 candles on the cake. There are 2 holidays. S we will put at the last to make many. 2 holidays, no? More than one. 2 holidays. That's why we put s at the last. The ships sailed on the sea. Ships, s. We will put s to make many ships. Okay. I see with my eyes. You have 2 eyes. That's why at the last we will put s. More than one, we will put s to make many. We will put s to make many. My pet cat gave birth to 5 kittens. My pet cat gave birth to 5 kittens. Okay. S we will put at the last. I hear with my ears. We have 2 ears. More than one, we will put s at the last. More than one means many. We will put s at the last. I have 5 books in my bag. Not book. 5 is there, no? More than one. Many, we put s. The hungry squirrel looked for some nuts. S. Because some, more than one. That's why we will put s. Okay. Now we have completed all the exercises of lesson 4, lesson 3, noun. Now you understand what is noun? All the names are called nouns. Either person name or animal name or things name or place name, all are called nouns. Now you also read these chapters many times, and whatever homework I have given you, you complete your homework. Okay. Good day.